Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to take off the rear smart handle on Lexus NX300. First we need to take off the door panel, and you can watch how to take off the door panel in the right corner in the link. Okay, let's unplug the door lock, and we need a razor blade to cutting off this miserable glue. So pretty much is same what we done on the front door handle. So just unplug this and unplug this nicely. Just put it in, turn it and pull it. Good. And now the handle ready to come off. Very nicely. Take off the rubber, and now we take off that plastic. Okay, now we need remove this T30 screws, what is very tight and glued in, so better for using the ratchet and nice and sharp head. Okay, and then I just press in. Okay, and then there is a other T30 screw what we need to remove. This one just need a release a little bit, and then this plastic ready to come off, and the rubber. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye.